Hello and welcome to FunnelKit. Order bumps are upsells added to your checkout page, and they are one of the best tactics that you can use to get your customers spending more in each order. In fact, on average, order bumps convert at 20 to 30%, which means that for every 10 people that buy from your website, 2 to 3 of them are likely to purchase your order bump too. And that extra bit of revenue per order adds up really fast and makes you a lot of profit. Let's imagine that you're the owner of this cosmetic store and you're selling this eyeshadow palette for $60. If 10 of your customers buy this from your store, you would make $600 in revenue. If you were to add an order bump that upsells a complimentary product at checkout for $24 and 2 out of every 10 customers added this order bump into their order, you would be making an extra $48 for every 10 customers. You've just increased your revenue by 8%. But here's the amazing thing about order bumps. You can have more than one order bump on your checkout page. Following on from our example, let's say you add a second order bump to offer your customers priority processing for $5. And then you add a third order bump to promote your gift wrapping service for $10. If 2 out of every 10 of your customers were to add these order bumps to their order, then you'd increase your revenue by another $30. Here's a few ideas of products that you could quickly add as order bumps to your store. Firstly are complementary products. If a customer is buying an eyeshadow palette, they are obviously interested in enhancing their eyes with makeup, so it makes sense to offer them mascara, which is another product that helps them meet their goal. Secondly are product upgrades. If a customer is buying a set of 3 makeup brushes, you could upsell them a set of 6 makeup brushes and get them spending more in your store. Next are subscription products. An example of this could be offering your customers the ability to subscribe and save with monthly billing. Order bumps work extremely well if you're selling digital products. Here we are selling an online course that teaches people how to build better habits. To increase the profit we're making here, we could add 3 order bumps. The first order bump gives our customer access to a habit tracking spreadsheet that complements their course purchase and helps them track their habits. The second order bump gives them access to a monthly membership group, which is a subscription product to help us build recurring revenue. And the third order bump is an upsell for an all-access pass, which acts as a product upgrade. Instead of our customers purchasing just this one course, we are upselling them access to all of our courses for a discount. If they accept this order bump, they will spend significantly more in our store. In this example, we've turned a $100 sale into a $289 sale, and we've added $29 in monthly recurring revenue. Order bumps is just one of the many powerful features included with FunnelKit. Other features include the ability for you to design high-converting checkout pages, easily add one-click upsells to boost your average order value, and so much more. To start making more profit with your WooCommerce store, head to our pricing page to see our current deals.